do access management. We have a lot of things in the web base. Come to in the platform tool base, we can do some integration to third party vendors and some mapping transformations.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it from my end.
Yeah. So I'm asking that what is the different tools and service offered by Mule-soft? So there are I think 5 to 6 tools: API Designer, API Manager, Anypoint Studio, API Portal, one second, API Portal, and API Analytics. Okay. So
API proxy also.
yeah, right. So we will start one by one. Okay, and we will discuss about also. So first we will start with the API Designer. What is API Designer? Anyone know?
Here we can create a set of instructions to run API. Like
Okay.
we can, yeah, we can give specifications how to run our API,
Yeah. So if
and
interviewer asks,
also here we can create our Mule application as well. Instead of the tool, we can create here itself only.
yeah. So if interviewer asking you question that API designer, how you make this? Then give with example also. That how you will the answer? Hello.
It means simple RAML code.
Hmm.
I didn't get your question. Can you
Yeah.
repeat it?
Suppose you are telling about API designer. Okay. Whatever you
Hmm.
answer. After that, what I am asking that can you also tell me that how you do this? What is the process?
First
Give with
we
any
have
example also. One example.
uh, okay. Let's take one small project which I am doing now.
Mm-hmm.
uh, I need to know the ship is docked or undocked from HTTP methods.
Mm-hmm.
So here, for example, let us assume our ship details is the main resource.
Mm-hmm.
Under the resource, I need to use the get method.
Mm-hmm.
While the get method, I will use the query parameters to trigger.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I will expect some response which is 200 OK code,
Mm-hmm.
and I will give the body as a application JSON format, and I will provide some data type format which is coming from server to our client response.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, this is a simple RAML code basic. After that, I will exchange this code into uh, any point exchange, and I will do deploy from runtime manager. If we need any policies need to apply, then I will create a discover node from API manager, and I will do apply. I will do policies. This
Okay.
is a whole end to end in the.
Yeah, correct. So another, anyone? Mithila, Benuka, Malika, Ramya, Parveen, Nagatha, Santosh. Everyone to speak because in interviewer you have to speak. That's why this session I am starting to speak. Whatever you have knowledge, little bit also. That's not better. No, that's not a matter. You are speaking wrong or anything. Okay. Another. What is API manager? Hmm? API Manager is a management tools that allows to organize. Oh, shit. Yeah, right.
By using API manager, we can manage our deployed application.
Hmm. And traffic, service level agreements also.
Yes.
Hmm. And why we use Anypoint Studio?
To perform mapping transformations.
For
Hmm.
Uh,
development purpose.
to create our application, to develop our application.
Okay, right. And what is API portal? API
API
portal.
portal is a portal. Here we can find whichever used to public APIs.
Yeah. So what is they are doing? They that offers developer a different kind of documents, tutorial, and code snippets related to APIs. that offers. Okay, so what is API analytics? Okay, so API analytics is an analytics tool that allows the user to track and the specification of API. Okay, so this is the also include the performance, usage, and relatability. Additionally, it offers to dashboard and charts. Understand my point?
Actually, just want to know where exactly we are using API analytics. When uh, in design center, mean there we are not able to see that API analytics. Any person have idea about this?
So
So
anyone have
basically,
idea?
suppose if someone else in your company, like organization, like management sector, they wanted to know your performance of your APS, right? So they will be using these analytics reports in order to look how the performance of your applications are going on.
Yes.
Okay,
It is
so
like optional one.
this
It is like optional one. Not everyone uses. Okay, so it's like for the top management, so they can look into the reports by using these analytics.
okay. So anyone knows like whether developer needs to check the performance of an API, or else it is out of scope of a developer.
So depends on your project. Okay, suppose if you think that you were working in a project, okay, and you have like if job of if your job is to like monitor all the applications, okay, by using independent platform. Even if by independent platform, you can do that by using independent manager, where you will be having like status of all the applications, so it's up and running over there. So depends, if needed, then you will be like using analytics, or else by use you can go by with API manager.
Hafid, you also know anything? Hafid, are you there?
It's for me.
Hmm. Just a second.
And in this API analytics, what are the parameters we need to check for, like time response or
Everyone
throughput
discuss five
payload?
minutes. I will be there after 5 minutes. Okay. So
Okay.
everyone discuss each other. If you have any
So
question,
the,
ask to everyone. It's happen to group discussion. Hafid, also you join, then you can also ask any
Sorry,
question.
sorry. Yeah, what I know, it's in any point platform API manager.
Yeah, whatever they
You can have,
ask you,
you can see,
just yeah,
you can
you
see the analytics there. You can have a look on the analytics there.
hmm. I will be coming in 5 minutes. Okay.
So I have a question, like what are the parameters we need to check in analytics? Like is it a time response for an API, or also throughput, or also what are the like these how many parameters we need to check while we are
so Ravi, like if suppose if there are like 15 to 20 APIs, or at 20 to 30 APIs in your organization, okay, and you wanted to know like what is the performance of your applications, okay, so you want a report, like particularly suppose say like just you wanted to check the report of this week, okay, so you will be fetching the report based upon those for those applications, okay, by selecting by just you need to pass just the data over there, and just it will create a report for you, like for which applications do you want this performance report for.
yeah, okay, like are we going to check time response and payload and memory usage? Are we going to check these all parameters?
So if you're going to define in your analytics, yes, then you will be looking for it. You need to
Yeah.
define like how your analytic report should be, okay, whether you wanted to know like your memory utilization, performance, and status of the applications. It all depends upon you, okay, whatever the parameters you are passing over there, so then you will get the output as per that.
Yeah, okay. So I want to sum up my question like in overall, what are the things we'll be doing in any point platform apart from apart from designing we write RAML, right? Apart from
Mhm.
that, what we'll be doing in any point platform?
Okay,
Can
there
you
will be API manager, right? So you will be managing all your APIs over the API manager, runtime manager, okay, where you can see status of all your APIs over there, and you know about this one authentication policies. Okay, you can change authentication policies in API manager.
Okay. So we don't need to do performance we need to check the performance after developing the code and deploying it to Cloud Hub,
So
or else
you will be checking
will
your
be.
performance. So for performance check and everything, you will be using your Postman over there, right? How is your response? Like in how much is the times? What is the time frame of your response of your API?
Yeah, yeah, that we'll be doing. But is there anything we need to do in Cloud Hub? Like, do we need to test while after it gets deployed to Cloud Hub?
So after it is getting to deploy to Cloud Hub, uh, I have no idea about that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Someone else in the
Thanks.
group can help me.
I'm also not sure.
Hmm.
But yeah, I think Postman we are doing the local testing only,
Yes,
or
yes.
Yes.
when they like that performance, we can check in the Cloud Hub itself. I mean, when our application are deployed in the Cloud Hub.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. So I will ask another question, right? Okay. So what is Mule ESB? Hafid, you know? Am I audible?
Uh, yeah, yeah,
It's Mule
uh,
Enterprises Services.
yeah, it's a system that allows you to connect different application on the same
Yes,
on the
yes.
s-
So actually, what is the Mule-soft Enterprises Services? It makes easy to development teams. Okay, and flexibility connects. Rajesh, who's Rajesh? Okay. Oh, why I'm getting so much calls? Okay, let me start again. Okay, so what is the Mule-soft Enterprises Services? Is the like easy to develop any web application, anything to exchange the data easily, and it is flexibly connect and access. Okay, that means even through the application is running into different VMS into the interaction between them easy. So there are some features are also there. So what is the features? I'm telling you one by one. Suppose like first is the features that message transformation services. Okay, set up the service container, service security, and message routing services. Simple drag and drop graphic design and centralized monitoring and administration. Understand, Hafid? Anyone? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah. So what is the batch job in Mule ESB? Hello.
Yeah, we need to process if we want to process a large number of records million records. We need to use batch process. So it will be having it will be having our to process how we need to process failed records. It will be having that kind of uh,
Yeah.
handling. So
Whatever
we
you
will
answer,
be
no, you just speak. Okay. Whatever. It's wrong or right, doesn't matter. Speak. After that, I will here to share you the details. Okay. So continue, Ravi.
Yeah, so basically we use when we have a large number of records like 1 million. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it will give us a hand how to handle failed records. Okay, so it's not we can handle records with for each or parallel for each also, but it is not dynamic as batch.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Okay. So another question I will ask the what is the different type of variables in MuleSoft?
Three different type of variables:
Yeah, tell me what are there?
flow variable,
Hmm.
session variable,
And
uh,
record variable.
and other.
Yeah. So what is the flow variable? In the flow variable, what we use, we either set or remove the variables that tie to a particular message to current flow. Okay. And what syntax we use for this? Flow vars dot code, right? Okay. So another, what is the record variable? The record variable used to the batch processing flow, unlike other variables that are special variable sets that are used only inside the batch job. And what is the syntax of this? Record vars dot code. Okay. So flow vars, what is the syntax? Flow vars. Record vars dot code. And session, same thing, session vars dot code. And they also used to either to remove, set or remove the variables tied to the particular massage for the entire life cycle. So Hafid, you understand what is the variables in MuleSoft?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Okay,
got it
so you
clear.
can also describe a little bit flow, record, session, what is the syntax, and in this syntax where we use Anypoint Studio or where? Hmm?
This is Anypoint Studio.
Unify Studio and development.
Yeah. Okay. So try
These
to speak
variables.
whatever you know. It's doesn't matter you are telling wrong or right. Okay, it doesn't matter. So try to speak whatever you know. Like Nithula Raja, Rajesh, Pankaj, Ravi also saying yes.
Yeah.
Meera also.
So
Yeah.
these variables are present only in Mule 3, right? So in
Mm-hmm.
Mule 4 we don't have concept like these different types of variables, right?
Mm-hmm.
And in Mule 3, I am I am not clear what is the difference with flow varies and session varies. Can you
What is
give a
the you
brief
want to know
explanation?
flow variable and session variable? What is the difference you told me? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyone know? Anyone? Okay, fine. I will tell you. So basically, what happened in flow variable with this is the global to all flow except a flow with the transport barrier. Okay, with the contact the mule official document which states to flow variable does not carry over the next flow of application. And in session variable is also global flow, but it can even the transport the barriers. Even session barrier has a limit. Okay, and when that happens, we need to find the other mechanism to pass around the global values. Okay,
Okay, okay.
is anyone have any other option also? You can also tell. Hmm? Okay, what is main HTTP flow? I will ask in the chat box also. Hmm. Anyone know? Main HTTP.
So yeah, yeah. It is created. Yeah, okay, you can.
This is the main flow that's created when you import
This is the
your
flow which is
runner.
invoked by HTTP endpoint. And the first time payload it sets to flow variable, like the session variable, like var is the session variable. SVR the store as a string value using the Shri Shai okay, this one. Okay, so another one also I am asking in this one also. Regular flow. They need any transport barrier. Regular flow they don't need any transport and barrier. They flow without transfer or barrier, and the main flux involves the directly. So all three variables accessible there. It shows the flow variable actually global to the other regular flows. Okay, and what is VM flow? Just spell it. Okay, fine. Daily I will share you one topic and with one material. Okay, understand? Daily I will share you one topic, and next day we will discuss only this topic. Topics related every material I will send in the Telegram. Everyone join in Telegram, right? Am I audible or no?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah. So I will share you the everyone join in Telegram, right? So I will share you the study material, whatever topics we will discuss in next day. So you have to go through the study material. Okay. That is easy for you to understand anything if I'm asking any questions. Okay. So right now it's not right now it's first day, no problem. It's a discussion round only. Okay. So next day and everyone know why we start the session. Hmm? Anyone? The session is the for only interview practice. Okay, where I will ask the question and everyone have to share his knowledge, whatever they know. Because when you giving any interview, okay, then it will difficult to you. Sometimes you know the answer, but you are not giving answer. Okay, so that's why. Everyone join in WhatsApp group. Now there are already I shared the Telegram link. Okay, so if not joining, I will share you once more. Okay, so everyone decide what is the topic of tomorrow. Then I will share you the material of this. Which topic you want to discuss in Mule-soft? Listen, if you are not disconnected, then you cannot give the interview for any topics. They are asking you question, you have to give answer. Then they will
Any
give
point
the
platform related?
Yes, yes.
yeah.
If
Live scenario.
any point
Everyone
platform.
have to speak because they have to give the interview also. That time you can't mute yourself. Okay, so you have to give the answer. And I will ask you many tricky type of question, and I will give the answer also. So that answer depends on you that you have to make your answer also. Understand my point? Real time projects also I will show you, but first you have to complete the basics also. Tomorrow one trainer also join. Okay, but he don't have a time, so he will join only Saturday. So whatever you have a question, if you have any interview like 3 4 days, then share come with your JD. We will discuss on your JD and we will clear his interview also. Okay.
Yes.
So I will share you the Telegram link if you don't have. So everyone, if you
Yeah,
can't
please share.
speak, then message in chat box which topic you want to discuss tomorrow. That topic material I will send you in Telegram. Okay, and you have to study. Next
Okay.
day again I will ask the question. If you don't give an answer, then I will give you the answer. Not worry, but you have to speak. Everyone have to speak. It
Okay.
will help you for your interview if you are going any company, because in company also you are joining daily. There are 2-3 stand up calls also, so you have to practice right now. Okay, so suppose first I will ask the self introduction question. Okay, day to day roles and responsibility. So who can tell at least self introduction, what you have experience, what you have knowledge on Mule-soft? Okay, fine. In chat box you just message which topic you want to discuss. I think it will take time to you, but I think in 1 week everyone can speak. I think so.
Uh, I have a question. I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So we have HTTP and HTTPS protocols, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. In real time, when we use HTTP and when we use HTTPS, do we use HTTPS for all the uh, projects in real time?
First,
We use
whatever you have a question, sorry, you just message in chat. Okay, tomorrow one trainer also join. You just whatever you have a question, you just keep it and you can ask him tomorrow. Okay, same time.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and I will share you the Telegram link also. Just a second. Here I will share the task also, real time projects also. So you have to make these projects. If you have any issue, you can message daily. You have to practice, and you have when you have doubts, you can come in with doubts, and you have to ask. Uh, Everyone, check chat box. I will share. I already shared the Telegram link. Okay, so join in Telegram, and next day same time we will join. Okay, today actually only discussion. Tomorrow we will start. And topics also you shared in the Telegram. Which topics we want to discuss tomorrow? Who already completed training, they know what is the course content also. Okay, okay, fine. So tomorrow we will meet. Okay, same time. Okay, thank you.
okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you.